Alright kids, for everyone playing at home, this is my first time doing this in a long time, but I've come up with an idea on how to not just smack this with a hammer like I was before, but 2 screwdrivers and a hammer. Put them down in these little bloody ditches, squeeze them together. Oh, stop it. Mackie, what have you done, Shan? Just sharing secrets. There's a lot of goo in half the cut. Is that what you want? Yes, I do. I want you to come undone. There you go, Mackie's handy hack from the Mac Shack. Amazing. I'm going to vacuum all that shit out before it goes in my fuel tank. Happy bloody Saturday. Are you, oh, look at the burnout.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah, no, don't. Oh, so you've killed it. Jeez, you've done a belt burnout.
No, also, these cars do skid. Sometimes this was doing one from there because the aircon wasn't spinning, but the belt was.
No, that's...
I just wanted to know if it was cold.
Well, it's definitely not
Belt's
cold.
hot. Yeah.
Aircon doesn't work. So wouldn't that be burning? That'd be burning normally then.
No, because it's got a clutch. When the clutch
Oh,
goes,
right.
the compressors.
There
no,
you go.
No compressing.
That's what we get.
No comprendo.
No, me scusi.
Well, the wiring's good though. The clutch turns on. So
We've got
compressing.
That's... All right, we're just testing. AU joking?
Oh, why does it feel so heavy when it slips?
That didn't go to plan.
This thing smokes more from the belt than the tires.
The clutch does not like us.
Hey, but gearbox good.
Oh, mate, this is mint.
Doesn't make any noise anywhere else. Motor's good.
What a gem.
Forward temps are good. EB's battery, good.
Thanks, Trevor. We got this.
Powerhouse too.
It's coming to a drift track near you lately. You won't. Amazing.
Amazing.
All right, so update on the limited bash on the test drive. We do have a belt here. And why did it come off? And it wasn't because we did a burnout on the aircon earlier. If you look down there, that's in line, that's in line. That's not in line. That's in line. Oh. So we're probably going to push that back, tack it back together just to get it going. But she runs, she drives, she hits limiter. It's amazing. Treat yourself.
Gear limit, go. Oh yeah, let her eat.
All right, Gary, jump in it. Check if it's in neutral. Righto, hit the key, Sean. Oh, yep. Yep, see if it starts. What? What?
Sounds like a car now.
Sounds like a car. See if it revs. Go. Oh, one more, go on. There you go, son. Are you joking?
It's running.
Back from the dead, son. No bird shit on it. Amazing. Treat yourselves. Time to do skids. There's a few things I got to fix up, but yeah, should be right.
But first, we need to find a paddock.
I need a paddock. All right. Okay. balancer's just flown off. It literally just happened then. It's all right, we'll fix it up. We need a balancer. If you look down here, see that bit right there?
Yep.
That bit underneath the car, there, used to be on that. That's the balancer. So we're gonna have to get another balancer because have a look at it. She's all cracked. She's not happy. So that's what the issue is, Sam. Are you joking? Back in action. Alrighty, I've got a hammer, so stay tuned. We're tapping the balancer back onto the crank after it spun off last night. And you're not going to believe how I'm going to fix it. I grab our Unimig and I zap it back together. So stay tuned, have a laugh, and treat yourselves, you won't. Okay, you've seen me belt the balancer back into position. I've just sort of roughly put it there. I'm going to start the car up, see how true it runs on everything. I can see it's going to hit everything. Sort of just want to see if it's sort of half in line or not. Okay, that's back on, spinning okay. We'll tack that back into position and happy bloody days. All right, this is how you repair a balancer. I might even put the mask on so I know what I'm actually doing. Didn't go to plan. Welder's not playing the game. The fuck? That's what you call bird shit. What the fuck is going on? Too far. That's it. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fix your broken balancer. Amazing. Amazing. That looks like it's flying off the water pump. That might be the next issue. Oh well. Okay, a bit of a backstory. We've got the car with no keys. We changed all the barrel and everything yesterday. That was out of a Fairlane. We just put it in the original Falcon one. Then I thought I'd better change the door lock because I got a door lock. And then I couldn't get the door handle out because all these had stripped off the bloody door handle while I was trying to get the other door lock out. So I have glued these little lock nuts or captive nuts back into here, and that one will get glued back in there. Why? Because it's just going to be a banger drift car and it's good to have a lock on it. Here at Mac Shack Customs, we know how to make your headlights look better. First, you grab your cut and polished compound that you use to make your paint better on the car and your polisher. Now you hit your light with the buffing agent and the buffer, and presto, you're going to have brand new second-hand shitty looking lights. Thanks for watching, you legends. Now, stay tuned, because what we're going to be doing is whacking a new Xyynot clutch in this beast, putting the roll cage, welding the diff, doing a once-over, and we might even buy a new balancer. And we're going to get drifting this beast, so stay tuned. You won't.